King David's life reminds us that a man does not find satisfaction in who he is or in what he has. In fact, if fame and fortune could bring a satisfaction and a contentment in life, then a man by the name of Simon Cowell would be without a doubt the happiest and most contented man on earth. Now, we know him as that entrepreneur who brought us American Idol, Britain's Got Talent, and the X Factor. You know, he's in his early 50s now, and he's been classified as the coolest man on the planet. He's been on the rich list with an estimated fortune over 120 million pounds. In fact, he just finished renovating his mansion, which is just a stone's throw from Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood. His home is so luxurious, it took 5 years to get it just right. But you know, in spite of everything that Simon Cowell has, fame, fortune, praise, and popularity, you know, he struggles with depression, happiness, and contentment. In a recent interview, he said, and I quote, that I'm quite odd in some ways. I get very dark moods for no reason. I'm just a wandering asteroid without a home. I get to points in my life where I sometimes think I am never going to be content. But you see, what people fail to realize is that contentment is not found in seeking possessions or pursuing our pleasures. In fact, Jesus Christ warned us that contentment and true satisfaction in life are not found in the abundance of things that man possesses. Remember what Jesus said? Luke 12 and verse 15. He says, one's life does not consist in the abundance of things that he possesses. But you see, true contentment in life are found as you and I draw near to God. David put it this way in Psalm 73 and verse 28. He says, but for me, the nearness of God is my good. In other words, my satisfaction, my contentment come as I draw near to the living God. And friends, the reason the things of this life do not satisfy the heart of man is because we were made to be satisfied by God. It was C.S. Lewis who once said that God designed the human machine to run on himself, and he was so right. What satisfies? Listen, it is just you and I drawing near to God, because in his presence is satisfaction, is peace, and contentment that surpasses all human understanding. My prayer is that the Spirit of God would take the Word of God and bless you with it today.